Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is long overdue. I installed the Spidertrax spacers about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks ago, and I said this video would come, and just busy at work, multiple jobs. So I know I got a lot of questions about rubbing and everything like that, so that's what this video is going to be about. We're going to do a full lockout test going forward and reverse, just typical driving that you would normally do if you had this set up for it. It's an 1.25" spacer basically from Spidertrax. I'll leave the link to that down in the description and the original install video of it, just in case you guys did not see it. Also need to do an update for that as well. Discount code TRDJON, $15 off from ACCESSORIDES. So just driving around like doing normal turns in neighborhoods and stuff, I don't notice any difference. At highway speeds, there's zero wind noise because some people were asking me if there's any wind noise since it's out past the fenders. I don't notice any of that with it at all. I mean, the tires themselves are pretty loud on the vehicle. They already have like a nice little hum to them. But other than that, I don't notice anything at all. Also in like the 50 miles or so, they were all torqued. It was all good. Nothing was loose, anything like that. So they were nice and tight. I actually did like 170 something miles on it instead of doing 50 miles, but it was all good, all secure. Very impressed with it, and super high quality as well. All right, so we got full lock turning driver. Don't hear anything. The weird thing is once you go wider, it starts to want to hit some things, which is speed up too. Don't hear anything. The weird thing is though, we'll throw it in the reverse now. You hear that? Passenger side starting to rev a little bit, which you kept the steering wheel in the same exact spot, but now it's rubbing a little bit. Very slight rubbing, nothing crazy, but it's just weird. So going forward, so like if you're backing into like a parking spot or backing out of a parking spot, it's gonna rub a little bit. So now we'll go full passenger lock. Nothing again. People over there are probably like, what the heck's that guy doing? And then now we'll stop it again. Still keeping the same lock. Throw her in reverse. Driver side. So it seems whichever the driver side is rubbing right now. So let's get out and see exactly where it's rubbing. All right, so still in full lock coming up, and this was from when we were in reverse, and you could see where it was rubbing. So we may just have to trim this back just a little bit because it's only rubbing on this. And that's most likely the same spot on the passenger side as well, unless it's getting a little bit of the fender right there. So that's not making too much noise. It's not making too much noise, but as you can see, it's rubbing a little bit here. So not the most noise, I think, because this is like a more rubbery plastic. Definitely when you come up to the front, that's where it's rubbing right there. So this is still with the stock 265s. So definitely if you're going up to 285s, it's the same area that rubs on those. A lot of people just take off their mud flaps, which is super simple and easy to do. But a little bit of rubbing at full lock is nothing too concerning to me at all. So how do I like it after a couple weeks? Absolutely love them. The poke and everything for the tires to come out like right here to the fender well is perfect. It's as it should have been from Toyota. I mean, I know why they don't do it, but it's absolutely perfect. Now, but when I do bigger tires, do bigger tires on it, I'm gonna have different wheels as well. I love the TRD Pro wheels. They're awesome, but Toyota is overdoing it right now. So I finally made the decision that I'll just put new wheels on it. And when I do that, it'll probably have a negative offset. Not that I'm opposed to these spacers, but I just wanted to do the video for you guys to show you how they are, how they work and everything like that. And to give my vehicle a good appearance for the next, like 40,000 miles, 30,000 miles or something like that. because it only has 20 on it, and I know these tires are probably good for like 50 to 60. Other than that, guys, just a little bit of rub, nothing crazy. I do really like them. They're great. The install was super easy. Hardest part is just jacking up your vehicle, but other than that, I mean, you get to clean the area inside, have a nice appearance and everything, and it just looks really good. I like it. So to make your 265s, if you have those on your vehicle, look great, I highly recommend them. So again, links will be down in the description for that, and also the original install video for the Spidertrax spacers. If you guys are new around here, please consider subscribing and like this video. It really helps me out, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. All right, see you later.